Today we are going to see the topic test, key aspects of test, measurement and evaluation. And here the contents are test, measurement, evaluation, its concept, meaning, nature, characteristics and its need. Moving on to the test, what is the meaning of test? According to Barrow and MCE, a test is a specific tool to measure the ability of a student or his talents and his basic basis to make judgment or evaluation regarding some characteristics such as fitness, skill, knowledge, and values. And what are the natures of test? The test must be reliable, valid, and it is objective. It accomplished with norms. It should not be expensive. It should be less time consuming, must produce results, and its implementation, its feasibility, and it must have educational values. And what are the characteristics of good test? A characteristic of good test is it must contain a valid test and it must be reliable. It represents teaching learning objectives of goals. Test materials must be properly and systematically selected. A test must be capable of accurate measurement of the academic. And variety is also a characteristic of a good test. And moving on to why the students need assessment in and out of the classroom. The student need assessment in and out of the classroom so that what students have to identify the what students have learned and to identify the students strength and weakness, to provide a method for awards and recognition, to gain college credit, and to measure a teacher and a school students effectiveness. Then, what is measurement? A measurement is a collection of information in a numeric form. It is called as measurement. And as a definition, measurement is an act or process that involves the assignment of numerical values to whatever is being tested. So, it involves the quantity of something. And what is the nature of measurement? The nature of measurement is it is quantitative in nature. It must be precise and accurate, and it needs an instrument to measure anything. And it must be reliable and valid. It must be objective in nature. And what is assessment? Assessment is a process in which it is kept to measure what the students have learned in a particular subject. That is, when a topic is finished, an assessment is kept to identify the students' level of knowledge. And concept of evaluation. Evaluation is nothing but it comprises of test, measurement, and assessment. Evaluation is process of making values judgment over a level of performance or achievement. Making value judgment in evaluation process pre-purposes the set of objectives. And meaning of evaluation is it is a technique to know at what extent the objective are being achieved. And the definition for evaluation is the process of education that involves collection of data from the products which can be used for comparison with the preconceived criteria to make judgments. And nature of evaluation is it is a systematic process. It can be changed according to the situation, so it is a dynamic process. It identifies strength and weakness of the program and as well as an individuals, and it is based upon the data obtained from the test, and it is a decision making process. And in educational evaluation, it helps to identify the students level of knowledge and to improve our teaching learning process. And types of evaluation is formative evaluation and summative evaluation. Formative evaluation is nothing but it is kept when a topic is finished to check whether the students understand the topic well. And in summative evaluation, it is kept when a whole academic year is finished. For example, for formative evaluation, we have internal exams in our college, so that how the students have learned the topic well. And for summative evaluation, it is a semester test. It covers the whole subject, whole syllabus. So these are the types of evaluation. And to the conclusion, test is nothing but to test the knowledge of an individual. And measurement is it is a collection of information in numerical form. Evaluation is it is a technique to know at what extent the objective are being achieved. And the types of evaluation are formative evaluation and summative evaluation. That is all about key aspects of test, measurement, and evaluation. Thank you.